Hey everybody and welcome to the channel. My name is Vian and I'm one of the co-founders here at Pikkaboo. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogging guru, or you just want to keep your pals in the loop, we're all about stepping up and simplifying your newsletter game. Pikkaboo allows you to create, manage, and automate beautiful newsletters like a total pro. In this tutorial series, we'll show you the ropes to help you navigate the platform so that you can spend less time fumbling around and more time crafting the perfect newsletter. And don't worry about spending hours on creating email templates. Our design studio includes AI technology that can whip up designs in a flash. That means less stressing about fonts and more time engaging with your subscribers. Plus, we'll teach you the tricks of the trade to help you send campaigns like a whole marketing team was behind you. So sit back, relax, and unleash your creativity with Pikkaboo.